If your Koorui monitor has no sound at all, don't worry. You're not alone. Thousands of users run into this issue every year, and the surprising truth is, most of the time, nothing is actually broken. In this video, I'll show you the real reason your Koorui monitor isn't producing sound and walk you step by step through the exact fix you need to get audio working again. Stay with me. This will save you a ton of time and frustration. First, let's clear up the biggest confusion. Most Koorui monitors do not come with built-in speakers. That means they physically cannot play sound on their own. So even if your HDMI cable carries audio, the monitor has nowhere to output it unless an audio jack or speaker is included in your specific model. Before trying anything complicated, confirm your monitor's capabilities. Check the model number on the back of your monitor and look it up on the official Koorui website or inside the user manual. If you don't see speakers or audio out listed in the specs, then your monitor simply doesn't support direct audio. Now, if your model does include a 3.5mm audio jack, here's what you do. Plug your external speakers or headphones directly into that port. The HDMI cable sends an audio signal into the monitor and the monitor passes it out through the headphone jack. But if there's no audio jack at all, you'll need to connect your speakers or headphones straight to your PC, laptop, or console. This is the most common solution, and it works instantly once you select the right output device. Next, let's make sure Windows is sending sound to the correct place. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar, open Sound Settings, and under Output Device, choose your external speakers or headphones. Do not select your Koorui monitor. If it has no speakers, Windows will send audio into a dead end. After selecting the right device, test any audio, YouTube, Spotify, whatever you prefer, and you should finally hear sound. And that's it. In most cases, the no sound problem isn't a malfunction. It's just a misunderstanding of the monitor's audio capabilities. If this helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment if you want troubleshooting for other Koorui models. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.